Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to send money on WhatsApp Brazil. This is easy. First thing we need to do is open our WhatsApp uh, app, and then we're gonna select chat, and then once you select your chat, you're going to find this icon, this raise icon right here. You're going to click right here, and then you're going to set up a new payment right here. Just you need to select payment, and then you're going to select to who will receive the payment. And then once you type your amount, you need to link a card, a credit or debit card in this section. Okay, once you do that, you need to click right here in pay pay raise, and then you're going to click or add your pin, and then right here you will send your money. Okay, it's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.